Ebusua afede ageta tana agini nyina ene se yeguso ehwehwe oni akora okun dade Lumba yesi Lumba nifie CCTV cameras ebobo hopa nanso besi ne yehu nipa kora okun dade Lumba se ye ne nkrabia wuo anase enipa dasani ne mia dade Lumba kon anase nipa dasani ene de dua ebo na tikoma ne wu ya Jentumi ehu na ebusua me no kasa ni de ene breaking news we de chen da na we de ageta kasa ageta muta na ebusua prophetess bia ba be kasa na maame nsem kaye nyina ene se dade Lumba wuo na wawuo no sabe enye ne nkra bia wuo eye nipa dasani pa wo yo ba ene etimi ekum papa no ato atwene kwa ache se ebusua ahwera de na che se prophetess nsem a wo ka nyina de wo de won ya se wura mu kire se woni akwa de oboni din na mempese meboni din mepese wo ankasa no wo tamu chuku ni ekọ hwe na wo chire mo se woni akro no wo mra bonten na wo meka anye sa ade efe ebe ye de tan na sa woni akro no so de wo ye nipa sebe ene wo benda Lumba papa se nipa no ena watimi eku onyuntini ene da Lumba sese no ama emu ayedin pa na ensem okan ne de emu hu ena emu nso ewrem na wo kire mu a wo se abra ekum no ekoso no wo ku de asia ho hitmaker da Lumba no na small boy bi wo fie ho small boy ni ehui small boy na adwen se ompese obeka na kure small boy ne mra na omecheche ensemu enche Ghana fo na ebusua ene small boy kro ne de asem ato no ena oni akro nso asebe mpraduasa wono so etimi hwe nyame eku asia ho hitmaker ene asia ho yi wodo nchen na mekọ ne nasefo ni nyina wo hu no ebusua yenko na yenkoti prophetess ne nsem a wode betro emontene so
o kasa se we say mamat
emema kwa
enye physical because sometimes you know any person be ya enyema bia obeye wie azan and wo the away
yes emema kwa na oba ni but emema wanyini na mebusa almost no muti ono ba monam from but obi a symbol ebo nachi nti symbol no na nti ba wo
ya background
yes what
o ya background ye kodina no
yes wa wo do nsa beka no wo do nsa ka sankofo no eno nti no obi wo hokro ne kasa ne nipa na wu no onye obi a rekwe nipa ne bewu because ewiase ahunhun nyina ka da de Lumba nachi enti won kunku ya asa won so sore na asemi wo mu bu esigana Ghana front ente sa asem na se but na they don't know say ya hunhun ne be cross sa de no for revenge say ne be yanka Ghana penifo be sore akwa pe justice amelumba ba o man ti ase ye ni dini bebre ye fancy here ya
Women show.
Can't fancy here.
Mo and the ni asemo you di ni nyekese. Na few wanu mu ba no na e DJ baba. What time on so za obaji dia. Za ayi di we baba was
yes. Yes.
Ogula hu yes, take the mantle.
Yes, my year ministry for 17 years. But now me ma TikTok, na nsenya na me ba TikTok. Me wa TikTok too. Me ye de me di commentary. Me wa prophetess Israel Heman so wa TikTok. I don't know me di preach ankasa. Me say, sa de see Ghana ha.
You want am come na say you be ya band.
De see Ghana ha no. Na enye kwa o. Eya hu
Me pacha wo eno no me san replay ana.
Press blocker sabo replay why?
Isimbi bre di chere me. But ehye afei na ma sorry.
Kasa
me da na ye 12 ehye me say was metimi kan.
Maame kasa na ye bia
etimi enya asem ni bitie na ye di tu ye mfo. Me ye younger ma close to 32. Ma family kuna me na bre. Me yes of mommy if you no grab a Jimmy kuna me mpene.
Thank you.
Enti ade na ekoso na ye very bad. Me bon umpaye pa me kase me ma umpaye na me bo ma come on so the 24/7.
Ma me dia ya me ka kira wo na kan no bra.
Na the radical shrimp. A radical shrimp say, even say, and your mommy in some way, me be body, or do a try on your man who be in the same penny be, and I say, any penny who be be. Dear a Japadia me and some baby because of a non soon papa, one of the Maame and Maame and Bibia cry, radio station near first, Tentra Hill, a second, and now is Legon, a third. I said, Mammy, and your mammy and Sarah, Mammy. Nessa yantini legal wife for yantini for some of my men and baby ma but say oh my for son your mammy and some your mobile po and ask no money will be in the cry there. I'm not on my family name, both daddy Lumba side and girl on the side. Son your mammy and some pa and then no one some the radical me.
Now, if the mommy say what side did you obey okay because both that side need you say, ma'am, one come home.
Yes.
Okay, and or Jimmy and Sana and Yashi and one from
a dim palmy and some power person or no was a mammy and Sakana come a bit 20 young man Casancasa. Yes, I know mammy and sorry, but I was a mammy and Saka and somebody watch the beer in Sabeka and Saka. Tisan your mammy and sorry, my body say, oh, you obey and you so bet try. On fan channel.
And you think I'm your
now, same way, and you do man a catch a me. Yes, ready me each me. Lumba make me. Lumba chassis and I will yen. I chassis and no yen a radish me, kind of fast winning now. I do. Ah, call like it will be with fear or crap upon a year cool.
But say them Rebecca on our own.
Yes, but I plan. I say, me said that any nayancy. Me person didn't who be ransom in the brain, and I may boy me no ye be mammy, and I will be home some baba wanting. I feel crana. Debbie, I mean, when you say we're not feeling, I shall say. Yes,
yes, my caca.
Yes, yeah, come on, not like yes, Akolabi hui say you could
Lumba Banibia Lumba Manibia.
Akolabi yes, Bema.
I do with Maca.
Akola Bema baku hui. Akola no class or no class even so one confess ya papa ne fa ne honchan o hui. O hui papa na mo dia de bu ni tiri mo hui.
Ah you are. Thank you, Jesus.
Prophesy. Sakolana nka. Akolana nka sakla. Oben problem oben nyano. Because papa ne ho tan. Akolana ne ho tan akoshe papa ne mu. Sadi ni si na akolana na ne wo ho. Akolana ne ni tey ehu drum ya papa ne nyina. Ahyase ne ntokwa ne si na akolana ne jira ho bi. Enwom ko ya de ko ho. Iti ho. Sakola no woni akola ba ko fo
one systems as well. Yeah, piano. There systems as well for more.
Debbie. Omon piano.
Daddy mo the boat.
Yes. Daddy Lumba wuye. 3 days. Am already is am ma we nyina kire me. Papa no omodi ade ani boni simkra no hye net. Na eya ade na nya morning wade nwane e na ade ne course anopa asay ntokwa kasakasa misunderstanding.
Ano ni human error no.
I human error no.
Yes. Na ya misunderstanding. Ti papa ne try say we be pii ba o mama na mpi. And some dey me say e be
that you know be no okas acting po. Emrada o mama.
Enti ho na naija bibia e finish e kra. Can no try so be pii wenti. But akola be wo fie ho. So wan ko me pa cho Debbie. I said Debbie.
Tanzania.
Debbie. There be Oma or NDD. Oma didn't talk on start anopa. Anopa no kunti. Oma the corner show abrana ono papa nada. And papa ne sorry nti according to edi anymore na papa ne she on say obi a oyi ni tibi e ma no kra ye da on say ye she net kata so je wo di net kata anymore no na papa ne she bi woni ti okay na papa ne she bi woni ti nti ono kra no wo hede no mo kon oye kon na no ni say e be dani wo nti mo pese opie be du wo ba to ma na mbie oh but na kola ba ku gina ho gina ho kola ba ku kuwe enti sa kola no wan pie nesta kola ne so ankasa Erade mfa na ho nche no na me Lumba wuye no Erade before say Erade be ka we kire me Erade sa ma me hu say ensuwa bebre ni ahunhun bebre aso wi agitwi esike revenge nipa omuku Lumba only third person okasa say we say emamatu emema kwa enye physical because sometimes you know anybody meya eniyama bia obeye wie azan enwo dia we yes emema kwa na oba ni but emema wanyini na mebusa almost no muti ono ba mo nam from but obi a symbol ebonachi nti symbol no na Erade ma me hu say Lumba ne wasase so na hu nyina gina to nti wa wo ya background yes wa o ya background ye ko gina no yes wa wo do
Hey, one day from me by this time. Me pacho me ba.
This block I was born 2 times. I'm very sure say nipa baby ate. Tin pacho wo submission bi wo ho a obetimi ameki na ye kwere.
Jerry's mama. Oh,
Yes, MPP. Yeah.
Lady Neka bibi say BBC Ghana ha na enketu ya
ya me be ko so sa de no for revenge
Just for me we prayer kwana.
Queen who dey we?
Mate.
Ghana penny for be story akwa pay justice amelumba ba o man ti ase ye ni di ni bebre ye fancy here ya you mean sure ye fancy here ya mo e di ni asemo you di ni nyekese you na few wanu mu ba no na e DJ ba o ka say what time on so za obaji dia za ayide we ebeba wo yes ogura hu ade yes take the mantle yes my ministry for 17 years but na me ma TikTok na nsanya na me
yeguso a ene yetietie no ene prophetess ai ensem bebre na ekoso ho no a yeguso tie mesre ene de no bokwaso ne dai di kan ya no atimi ahete subscriber tem no so de ama yeto aso ne hwede eko
me wa TikTok too where ye de me di commentary me wo prophetess Israel Hema so wa TikTok and na me di preacher ankasa
Praise Lord and pacho post wa hase
Pacho
Queen me pacho unim sa recording we no me pacho Mr. Moise for ye pen na ye one na say o mato egum
Me de me anopano na me record ye ba minim so obi so record ya ba me mfa to platform.
I'll be very happy say ye ntungum because once maame no wada ne ho adi o wabo ne chi.
Oh, omako ni DM kra anopane nyina
amako. No.
Nti aso ne obati why kasa I think so. Nti no you'll take it from there.
Omako ni DM mama ya advice no de wonye nyina nti no.
Yeah. So my editor mo ye no.
Okay.
NPP wasi san wudi no. Me ba chu mo. Mami mi ti na mun kasa wai.
Okay. Well, I am ya be say or chere ne chikwan. But at the corner o ka say esi o Ghana na nka wo se mpenyufo ni mra o mo hoso. I don't know which one happened first. Lumba ni woni di kan by ansa na sa helicopter crash nana.
No kai o ka say Lumba wu ye na sa de ne start ye.
Oh, okay. In fact, and this is the first time I meet audio, no, but all kasane no na ebesi ni team say that could be it. Hey, ya semu. Ah, Bible say boni bekum boni for ya de wa. Tie for bin ka bi.
Oh, Hano, dear, why that may no do an amount, me de me have a shower, no be, maybe Ghana.
Em patro, em say makebie wi nto bi so nkase bie.
I think that 2 weeks in a helicopter crash in here there. Happy. Now in body language now. Opposite say Nanka no a happy man penny for any abom so no or mama justice either ayejuma. And almost all my day. Uncle, on a tragedy and a strike. But according to prophetess, no just say, Sani money in a bufua, not spirit in the deal bachino. Omubufu. And you almost strike is Annie, my name is Siena. And still, Yana, woman per se, Papa Benya justice. No, there's more things going to happen. Yeah.
And surprisingly, crano, Adana ye omo ye papa na ye no. Sa Adana so na omo ye papa o manebu amerade fa ne kransi.
Yeah, they say they know omo ye or also
ah wo hwe nsu eto ye tutututu canopy si. Eh. Ya samo papa yi. Ah,
Me passion me me kasa kakra.
mama mpacho kasa.
Yo, me passion. I'm say so be obe predict is plane crashy. Now of share that bo nipa particular person beating. Or can you say we no enya manyosem de, but this previous impenium for was no. Enyeme ni abeye basa, omo nye nieme yi. Waka se enyeme ni abeye basa basa, ombeye niema basa. Inti emra pa de se emra beye adwuma no. Obua. Emra nye adwuma. Inti media mi minim sa maame no, justice na eye ne dia no. Maame Akosua serwaa. Enye sisei, ebesi, but enye sisei. Sisei de ye de taria na why, ye de taria sa bekoso sa, but on go through process no. Bruni free be due process. You have to go through it. It's a process and you have to step by step go through all of it so that they cannot use anything against you and say that, oh, you did not do this. Intina lawyer could see eso any homework a ye to say there's nothing like, oh, usually no, oh yeah. Sometimes no, because enyema be brigana ye boguno. To say the omoko kota judge timika chene so we jamame. Me ameye we jama me so you almost call a verdict no or you sue against him ain't no to say there is nothing like don't cross all your T's and dot all your I's. Make sure so you don't leave any stone unturned. There is nothing like, oh, I deal with the one oh we cry no monche. No, do everything and no lawyer could see say if it is heavy on his shoulders, on Maame no. Say if she can afford it, bring somebody else in. Because Juma Kessie, Obeka Sebia, we Mikai said from the very beginning he was overly confident to we in 30 case. But when who say it is not that simple because and say krekre muno emudu nti dia ye dia sa wo ye bia wo kokra na have the mindset we make kwa ye kra no enya dia omobeji atum enye ye but ye when sometime bi me hu se o mampanyi bi o ka say yesisi na or the pink sheets by no he went to prove his case also all ye nyina no no nim say enya dia ye beka say no nti no yes sa friend is saying verdict, or anything near the Onoye president at that time, no. But he had to prove his case. The ne here no. Into the Maame Akosua uncle so no proving the case, no. Ne justice na baby I see to no NCCC but ebesi na we no so no it is a kwan bi so no it is good say AC enema we ekoso good it is important because enu na Ghana for be kire omo baby a omo mfa omkokromoti nsi because yekofa enipa besi so yekofa mampanyi besi so na se ye niema biara te se de ye gangsters bi ye mafia bi. It's a shame. I said, yeah, to say in the school now, nipa on the crowd, there's soon faso because at the end of the day, oba be who you know. Lawyer, Oma Emranye Juma, judge, Oma Emranye Juma. It is a caution for us. Into baby, nipa de ne kokro mutibisi no bedwene ho. You see, na papa ba could be na me nhwe bibi ogina kra me ya misu papa we kra de wade na wasori so ba be the president. And so from our same way by no one etimi aka say or can wo baby no kind of once. So you cry one some way nyina mu. Na ade omo de ye maame no it's not right. Or no kwani ni pe kwa na ma me ni ba papa no so na me say nsem e ekoso yi. It is to show us say you're careful who we vote for. Obi wo ho a wo se o wu ko vote kra na o de besia ne besi o bibi anye ye. No. Policies will be made that affect you. As much as your board president former president Rawlings, your board woni eme bi o ye ya o enye no. Enipa bi crash re o mo nkwa no. Ade ba akopɛ no ye boy ye ho ban. Say or bore widows and children of the dead. He or bomb who binds sa your friend is saying law now putting in place. It has saved lives. It has given children opportunity to go to school. It changed the whole trajectory of families because ni is see friend is say kunafo ene nkwala ijo mwechire enso so sa law na oyeye no echi nkrofo mre anye kwa nti uto wana akasa mentu aba because it doesn't matter wo boa emre bi beba sa mra na nu ne betimi change your life enti ni nia me de me hu ne say a caution but me to say the besi bia no enye me wanwa bebre mum. You see akola no de oye no maame no the kind of attacks are wonye free or no ane yem ma no me can say me hu bi da be ma on na starting free owo yo start free me hu ne say omo papa the one me nya adwen betimi aka say one me nya adwen but me de me na me can say I have lived that life until I know be ma tem bia or fight wa another way obi de benya on so betan ne woman against you. Into wote ho na wo ba no wo ho asem hye ni chirim eto da bi akola o nte wase da onto ono susu aba be yo ba tan ene me yo ba tan no mate me maame ase wo ne ma bi ho sa akola no sa netie gise oye mother she will get into her mother's shoes and then she will understand. She say obey Jimmy Simbebre because Jimmy batakola akoma ho. Into what they botre ni because ansem way if you are going through it, I may say it's just by the mercies of God. And yes, how can one know drew you? Ube soon say wow ye moba. Now we'll fight for Ubano no tenny against you. It is so painful. I thought that be a one person bachelor will ban someone say, me person will be disrespectful, papa, me person will be disrespectful, stepmother, or quite be respectful. Oh, yes, I know, because you know, say you are building your child's character. You want your child to be a good adult. No, the other side, or fight into no use who are against you. It happens, and it is very painful. It is just the mercies of God that will keep you. Into the Maame na yame there's so much say me who say wa fanya me na what sa de na say eno na air guide no onko so no nye ne sa but I want us to be prepared say let's ease up on the pain. At the end, yeah, but ease up. One way, ya wakuma, boy, ya we free me. Ne wafa see ya we free me. Or ya wonko or da or na. And ate no our underlining issues or no ya redada. And na akwakofan sembebre young man we free me. Nti Mr. Obi man akuma mra from na odie. Empire na esiebo. We gunyame so. Why? Me pa macho makasa bebre me da mwase. Ba cho mu bitimi me da mwase.
Wait, me pacho menka bibi kakra. The way AY3ka say, it looks like you believe it's Nkolano na you. I don't think Nkolano na ye. On fatini ni Nkolano kasa first time Nkolano can say Nanka or catcher ni mami sanko onfa ne brother ni yeno. And now my recording a jama wamode aqua twisting samuno. I say the man bibi so on signing on per se. Womo di bibi I know wamode aqua against aqua. I don't because Queen Emma a interview Aqualano show you so me pamucho yantiana. Unti Aqualan beba betray and trust or supporting him. I'm no ascertain around Aquafa lawyer. It's not true. Woman Aquafa lawyer no mu use Kolani din. Eddie yomu evil game. I don't think say Aqualano na Aquafa lawyer. Aqualano no Tigana no who lawyer be.
Akolando better for lawyer.
And you know
na mpacho mi ntwa wano kaka yes mi enka nkola no ho asem wa ha bio me pacho nti se mbeka another topic kan kebe boa me pa e pa ma to pa
Macho, I just want to say something about the audio because that time on Namewa.
And your mammy can wakasa.
Also, me can't bonisa, and I be a make up on your form. Me per se, and other side, you say, one more chant or two almost so.
Yeah, but yes, me more massem crying, tina me chawano me pacho. Because when you say kind of bonus, so bomb back baby na be affected Quinema me pacho wadaruma.
Me pacho me wejuma make
Miss Ramon, media bloggers no, me pe will be a obet me a yet Bibi to say way. Me who said I mean cano obet gada stories nini na no why any bibi to say way. Nanko dia akoma Al Jazeera BBC anyway no mabo no ma who injustice a ekoso ewo Ghana because the ekoso no ansana aban ne be seti apahu say so onimu bi kura na ye use the government no edi gu o man anim ase no age so hu say international ni nyina do o mano ayeden atum e na asem wanya de be ni wa ha o enti oprega no so ase wanya big men sa onpe bi nso abrochire nso nka ho because case no so omu di ni troka no ma anye the right thing e be international court it will not end. So woman dwen yo mo say woman be ye bibifu bi wo Ghana and on any lawyers no woman pe big men so international outside abrochire because I be international court and they wo ho so woman dwen yo mo so man nya fala wo Ghana no lawyer kusino or ye na dwuma said anka wo so ye no pepepe but woman full so woman be bully wo way around because they have some big men be a bit me a call a shot. Sha se si an nkofo bebre nso ani ada ho enu nti no mo stop wo mo se yen stop appeal ni de keka no ka se wo mo nsura nko me ka se yen stop. They know say ade na ekoso no it will go against them. And wo mo din semu e be call international court maame no nya case ni mo. And wo mo nya de wo mo ye no kra. Mimi po bi obetimi aye akeka ensem ni nyina asi aye ni bibi to say we be friend is enkra. Oh nanka wo mo de akọ
documentary
documentary nanka ye de akoma Al Jazeera de akoma BBC CNN kra no asani ama no ma hu injustice a ekoso wo Ghana Lumba so wu ye no BBC fu kan until they know Lumba said the ekoso nie from almost starting from court to the way I didn't starting yen ni wo owu ya ya ma ya nya autopsy ne yire ne sister request autopsy so ma anya ne body obi ani wo hu ye nim ba bia ye sie ni so wan hi so wan ye nim na ne side check na wote ho no and air fight for the properties wo mu kokota ne yire yesi wo mu nkeka ne nyina mu bom ne mfa nkoma Aljazeera ye mfa nkoma BBC na ban ni hu say oman no wo mu nyina do ma no betum say oman injustice na ekoso na aban ni be city up ama ne we super we your friend is saying Chief Justice no I the right thing no ma you omo ho afiri mu enti me hwehwen say ye benya obi a oye we your friend is saying obetimi akeka sa nyoma na abobom no why documentary no no de akoma wo mo. That's the only way ye benya justice papa e wo Ghana me da say
Chame to make us.
I'm saying Drew Nana also.
Nana ya de o ye ni pie no no nti no de ma Grace nkasa wan pacho.
Good afternoon.
Amuma Grace nkasa some dey and a chame off with the we keep here no esimiseso. We keep in esimiseso.
Okay. Me cha ye nyina near NS ne yesima ye mo obi adi nti ye mo din but me de nwanwa ne kakra. Ene de na esi ye ne de. Ye ntimi nkase se beta frache. Ense kase bi ehye akire. Sa asem esi ye wo ye team legal wife you map you can say if you believe that you are a part of team legal wives asem esi dan kan ni si eye nwanwa. However no esi ya na ye nya biti ye ne ye ma lawyer kusi aso ete ya na empo ye ma na so te ya ye hwe se ebia lawyer kusi benya akonya ni omo e wo so ni omo kasa gi adwenkyere ni nka omo akosisa no abana. We always put human face into this basi akonya bi oni ye mpanifo no enya asem bi e wo se omo ka kire yen ya akro ya ni asori ati asem omo nka na omo so omo yadum omo ja yen ye bedum je ni yen ya so ya bekwan ya nkrofo no omo ye adwuma. They say it and they do it and they are always happy. Why can we not do same? Because as we buy yenim ye no ye kasa ye na chino anama boeni ye tu ye enne de memi amani wa me dimesasi me busi ye ntimi nkasi nsan kasi e bi hye enne ne asi. Because near who akonya ese yebe bia wose yede to wo so wo mpe odi wo mu a se ne ya free ye free mu ne ye de obi fufuro edi ahye otie ankanya asem eso amanfo etwetwe ye ka ye wo no kre no enso no kre no esia bia wose yede to no na yaye ne wo de ye hwe nyame obo de omo hwe nyame o ne omo ye no omo ye ana omo sa wo enya sika eso ta chire. Enti me patwa ho no yanka ye ho ne ye ho enokre ese sinka ya de a ye ma ye lawyer so te ye na lawyer so ye make sure say we abusam no the result na ba ma at least en company for ho nko a ankene ye dru court ye betimi ayi atum because wo se obi see ya enipa na evidence when a video a call a dennis nipa na ekacho was it a written statement? Why is the evidence? Is it by word of mouth, email, or what? Sure. Nika ya debunk say until say ubema ya husi nipa na free one kasa no wasem. Why na kofa lawyer no? Lawyer no one kasa e transaction ben. What the sika free he ko he e na besi wu say wo kohwehwe musa na wo no otufu. Ni nyina ya koja musa. Bi ya yekom ni ye hwe nyame. Ni nyame no ya behwe na che. We need to add your friend is saying ink to what we are doing. It's so absurd. And then the mirror who panesan me for me dada.
Auntie Grace, me pacho. I don't know, sir. Me pena, I'm not really seeing a big fuss about this whole thing. One say obi free mo na say oja wela. Se nipa kroni ja. The obeshama nipa kroni no masem na waka to on the executor. Okay? Se nipa nenja, that is when we go for the LA. Now LA no, maame ni din wo mu e na ode ne ba aka ho. the video I'm sharing the understanding I got. You know, maybe I'm not getting it, but this is the understanding I got. Abofrani say ni school semine se ubedi na your for executor. Udi ajapade no hakoni about. Akola ne so nti Ghana ha. Nenu mu asema ne say ade we de mimi ni adaje. Enti menya ye mpo anka menua pani no ene ye de ne ba behye. Say ade we koye ne ye say Maame Akosua say why ye ni DF. I think so that is where we should have a problem.
They had the opportunity to have done it last week because any panel has vividly said that one person is doing with a reference now will make it. We are all aware. What prevented them to remove the name and to say, okay, at that time I did just 22nd, you know, perhaps there was no exams. Now, no, Akrana, I draw your attention. I see the exam. So she's saying that we should exempt her. So this is the new name that we are presenting. What prevented Isasi Ebesi Mepawacho?
Margaret Mpacho, Sene Nana Mabai or Kankolan Nasem about this situation. Pacho Muyun Kolani Fu, Mepacho Pa,
Attention, Mamfa. Who making reference in them, you know, near fantasy, you go see court and whatever we know, we know. However, no, now me, I me person, I'm even short of words. I say, yenimni last week, evidence is a war, and ye biano, ye tia ye lawyer naso, ye tia ye lawyer naso, ye lawyer so, etimi ebisemu, who say, din okay, say, exams anasi bibintino, ye dinipa we fu frobecho, anami nuna eye.
but Mepacho, Mama Grace, what's here free other opponent, ne lawyer, but what's here free ye lawyer, Juana said, the omu posti and the omu lawyer never kind moon a muti yana, because it's a lawyer named P and Kashi. So I don't think say we have to
okay, I am speaking this Mimi Quinema a platform anopa Mifiso Nebia Meya dear. Menko Bia a live. So however, Gossip 24, Yenny Nanim say or ma good analysis. Intino or no based on his analysis or ena a mania cry and me baha me cabino, inti free baby if we
Ada make say omo ye omo court ni we ni lawyer kusi me hu ni se wakasa ana MPP ono wakasa
oh say
On Kasai, but I think at this point,
Why don't we wait
Lawyer
for
Kwesi no
can we end it?
aha nti wankasa
Mepacho, can we end this discussion?
Mepacho, Lawyer Kwesi no. One more say or kasa too much in last time they been mon grant interview. One
about the document that is outside. That
and I make say so on to me kasa be bibi
it
crown
is not about lawyer now or court.
No, but
the
Auntie
document
Grace, you
is
see,
out.
Auntie Grace, what say, o submission now, you know. O say we had the information, my lawyer, and kwakosi. But you also don't know what lawyer did until you know the two sides of it, you know. You can't really say yatnawa. And that is why I think
is out.
That is why I think
you know, the document that is out, you know, it's not saying a lawyer be nakasa. I am basing on near court atro. Me patro munya ubi na court atra a year outside. Adiatu ana waka court asama otro ene America. Whether lawyers could see or not, you know, or other side, you know, near court aka assembly na misumi jina so aka. Say ye na ye nya bia ye betimi akọ akọhwehwe.
I'm sure me kasa.
Mepacho, menka we quick. Samutie lawyer NSEMSEM bi oka o say odi adefo ne betimi aye na eyire betimi aye na ma betimi aye. Mo hu say ye ade ani wi wo mo na o mo sie se o mo sie Lumba. So mo sie na mpa anka Monday no e wo so o mo tena se no o mo hia ne abusuafo nyina buka ni ye yi odi adefo ne was supposed to be like Miller and I say Maame Brimpoma ba na say Miller because I was fast no di ade won so ma yes ade no and so say a lawyer yi nam we Ebenezer no di nachi I have no doubts that these exist ono no yo di ade fo ana say when say busa pani yi odi ade fo because you the other for a call more dear you cry.
Say, I say, maybe shut up and I'm famra. And also,
If I
you
don't go
bet.
where the ma Queen Emma wine, 9 there with me a babe.
I'm maybe Shabbat, I'm patching with that.
That's it.
Eh,
Abna
Me
what's
pa cho me timi kasa kakra me we dwuma no mase.
Okay,
I
one.
yo, I say ye nyina ye twi ya adwen afiri baby so. Asemi a ye kan nyina we hu. My imuma ye hu se enye like flesh and I ne omo battle no. Ye di beifo. We are dealing with killers, ritualists. What you say? Into assembly nyina eba no wo hu say na ya fa topic say you discuss something important from nowhere. Na bibia sim na ya shift ya adwen free ho. De bia beba say court assembly na say something positive is about to happen no. Na ya like yemwa team legal wife no. Na dani ntokwa ye wo yentem. Yesi we say. So me my humble opinion is say we shouldn't forget about praying. Wa wunji nyame ndi na wunnim abusum so mpawcho me like fire mu bi why because when e koso like unhuni nine we can all see the truth but that sorry na dani asem fufo se obi like ye kabom na baby positive about so a obehu within some short time na like ye nyina askata na ye he the same way, me person me can't cry na sem no. But can't you all see said some evil force is working? We should rather pray and fast. Put down your bed like ejina hanuma kasano. Mr. Musa yawo to say senya prophetess by if we have them we can also invite them in this platform and we like commit ourselves in the blood of Jesus or whatever that we believe in. Because as some way I remember a friend of mine called me, say, Elsie, ever since I started following this case, do you know I'm having spiritual attacks, weird dreams? We shouldn't forget. Who is going against the mom or whatever? These people just want to like distract us. And they are really, really achieving that. And then if our topic we are concentrating on that. And it shifted the like what we were talking about. We need to pray. We need to pray. Sometimes pastor be joining here. If we come, we really need to pray. Because the more our voices, the more because we are not fighting normal normal way. We are fighting with evil people, bad people. Because when himself obi warrior, pa ni panikita nadie, will free from all angles here. If you are not a witcher, then we are there. Lumba ebusia opinion min kandada obi onim bia challenge me bibi she papa neni ase bibi she papa neni mase me de masema me kan no esrem bi si me da mo ase
Kasi yes, yeah, that's
I just want to talk about audio, no, because that time no na mewaha. Audio no, and yet the ATM kwenyu ewa. Ewa pa. Na maame no di for ba ne ka said the ekosu nyina no ewa ye legal wise lente. Someone has to be please. And yet physical. It has to
please mute.
mute. It has to happen. Send your bear, it will take the bad nuts out of the good nuts. Because you're not your wahenan, I team legal wise no, and no biana na koma adding. A home nature, the young coupon to me na asole no, shishemu is picking out. Hihemu. Until wa kuma adding no. na wasi wadwene pisa one maame say wa be cut to the end no ode ugina fa na omo makoma enye de no ode omagina fa na maame di for ba na okasa no o say eya ahunhum mienu na clash, the good one and the bad one. Yes, sister Biba, so or say I think me re feed your kind, but or say I say there nothing is like as a near man things are going on. Things are going on. And me nieni in the spiritual realm no, things are going on. Who move from no and near man sisi. But I can say a bit pie hunamani. Yeah, ya wa henina and ye po. Me busa di for ba ne say ya wa han ye pa na no se there be. Enye ye pe na eye bibi e na epia ye nti na ye da ye na no nti na ya mba ha ye nya hoton. And in fact for the first time ever my dad sorry I may feel so relieved e bin si da so relieved me jina so kra ma me phone battery na e da ye me fa mu da ye mpo nti no emma ya be mumbu because God is working. It makes perfect sense to them. On the paper, they see say everything is correct, but they say we see it to be total nonsense. Entina de omo de baby ano ni abatu egu. Yeah, for paper now we see it say why would you put this there? Date in the check kwesi Friday, but also ya abena.
Abusua mame no wase ene prophetess ensem no dodo na oka ene emu orem enso obaye ne dai diema eku da lumba no wankasa wo hwe a kire wadwene da bia meka mese ene se uyetim AY3ka esiusi na wache wadwene e comment section wo na emom uyetim legal wife wa ene ye Maame Akosua se wa na wagina so wachire wadwene e comment section na emom no uyetim koyo nso ene papa shee na wagina so achire wadwene comment section GH report makram.